Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from One Stop Solution, and in this video I will show you how to find your Facebook friends on Instagram. Connecting with friends from Facebook on Instagram makes it easier to build your network and stay updated on each other's posts across platforms. So let's get started on how to find Facebook friends on Instagram. Start by opening the Instagram app on your device. Tap the heart icon at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll to the bottom and tap See All Suggestions. At the top, you will see an option to connect with Facebook. Tap Connect and follow the prompts to sync your Facebook and Instagram accounts. Refresh the suggestion list and Instagram will show people you're friends with on Facebook. And that's how you can find Facebook friends on Instagram. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.